Hello everyone, it's Rich here from Cambridge Center Honda. I'm the parts manager, and today we're going to talk about paint pens. Every once in a while you're going to get a stone chip on your car and you're going to want to touch that up with a little bit of paint, and in order to do that you need to get a paint pen. But in order for us to supply you with the right paint pen, we need to get a paint code from your vehicle. Hondas have many different shades of white, black, gray, and we need to make sure we get the correct shade of that color for your vehicle. And the way we do that is off a little information plate that's on the car. I'm going to open up this vehicle right here. We're going to zoom in on that information plate so you can see what I'm talking about. On this HRV, the information plate is down here, and you're looking for this code here. It says NH797M. NH797M. In this specific case, NH797M is modern metallic silver, gray, sorry. And then we will go to the back and fetch a paint pen like this. Our paint pens, there's the code there, NH797M, modern steel, is two-sided. The color is on one side and the clear coat is on the other. Fairly simple. You just open up the cap. It's a felt tip marker. Just press very lightly and a little bit of paint will come out. You just dab it on your paint chip. It's not a brush. No brush strokes required. Just a little bit of a dab there. Let that dry for, depending on the day, for about 12 hours. Do a second coat, wait another 12 hours, and then hit with a couple coats of the clear coat on top, just to make sure that that paint is sealed and not open to the elements. And that's the best way to repair a paint chip. But in case you're wondering, there's actually a QR code right on the paint pen that you can scan with your phone, and it will take you to a site, some videos to give you some more insight on how to properly fix your paint chips. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Cambridge Center Honda, the parts department, and any one of our parts staff will love to help you out. Thanks everyone, and have a super day.